Based on our power voltage transformers, PVTs, which convert high voltage to low voltage power supply, we have developed an advanced solution in collaboration with Elewit, a catalyst for innovation within the Spanish transmission system operator. We introduced ZEPAS, a robust system designed to provide low voltage supply wherever high voltage lines are accessible. This innovative solution is engineered for high voltage substation auxiliary services and is adaptable to various other scenarios. This solution offers several key advantages as considerable economic savings, with commissioning possible within hours, substantially reduces environmental impact, offers a clean, maintenance-free alternative to traditional oil GenSets, constructed with power equipment commonly utilized in substations, compact and transportable by truck or ship in a C20 container. ZEPAS builds on the trusted performance of our PVTs, offering a portable, efficient, and next-generation power supply solution.